Welcome back, everyone. This video is the second video of the series, Why You Need a Sales Funnel. If you remember that when I sat down to write the script for Why You Need a Sales Funnel, I realized that I couldn't just explain it in one video. So I made this second video in the series. I hope I can fit it in these two videos, but we'll have to see. I want to stop right here and tell you that if you haven't watched the first video, then stop right here. These videos are meant to be watched in order. So go back to that first video and watch it first, then come back. For the rest of you who have already watched it, glad to see you again. Now let's move on. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. This is video 2 of the series. If you remember, in the first video, I broke down the sales funnel step by step. I explained why we have a sales funnel, and that is to break down the sales process into manageable steps. I told you what a sales funnel really is, and that is it gives us a framework for the sales process. We talked about the buyer's journey, which is the journey a prospect takes from not being a customer to being a customer. And I gave you an explanation of each step in the buyer's journey: the awareness, the interest, desire, and the action. Then I ended with giving you a bird's eye view of the top of the funnel, the middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how that buyer's journey ties in with the sales funnel. So I'll show you the buyer's journey and the sales funnel side by side. I'll show you the buying temperature at each stage of the funnel and how buying temperatures help selling. Then I'll pull back the curtain and show you the sales funnel in action. Believe me, you don't want to miss that. And stick around to the end. I have another bonus that I want to tell you about, okay? Now, let's take a look at the buyer's journey and the sales funnel side by side. Another note, I think I already mentioned that the buyer's journey and the sales funnel can have multiple detailed steps, but for the purpose of this video, I'm using a 4-step model. So for our model, the top of the funnel, the traffic, people, is the awareness. In the upper middle of the funnel, you have your interest, which corresponds with lead capture. The lower middle, you have desire. These are your prospects that are in the sales process. And then at the bottom, you have action, which is the order. This last section, the ascend, I really like that part of the funnel that it's added there. All great salespeople know that the relationship does not end with the sale. Sales is not a straight line from beginning to end. People don't just come in at the top and drop out the bottom. Sales is a loop, meaning that once a sale is made, then that's just the beginning of the relationship. The entire process starts all over again. There's service, there's renewal, there's additional add-on products to help service the product that was purchased. Ascend takes that into consideration. Now, there's so much more that could be said about this, but for this video, we're keeping it simple. Now, the buying temperatures is a nickname given to represent the stages of the sales funnel, the buyer's journey that your prospect is at. Cold prospects that are probably not aware of your product. Warm prospects that are aware and may have interest in you or your product or service. And hot are prospects that are ready to buy. They are at the desire stage of the sales funnel and they are ready to buy. So why is it important to know the steps and the buying temperatures? What does this all mean? Well, remember what I said in the first video of this series. 2, it is straight up 100% about communication. Communication, communication, communication. When it comes to the sales funnel, it most specifically helps you communicate with the prospect in the correct language to help them along on their buyer's journey. When we know where the person is along their buyer's journey, we can tailor our communication specifically to assist them to get to the next step. So, what did you say, Mark? Finding the right traffic and getting your message in front of that traffic is how we get people to go to our page. Specifically, sales funnels help you get that right message to the right person at the right time. Still want more? Then I'll take you behind the scenes to see this in action. You need a backstage pass for this. Make sure you have it. Now, for the first time ever, I'll pull back the curtain and show you the sales funnel in action. You might want to get something to take notes here. So, what does the sales funnel really do? Well, let's pull back the curtain to see the sales funnel in action. Here we have our salesperson. We'll call him Randy. Randy is a great salesperson. He sells a product that he absolutely loves. He sells Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is an online software platform that automates the sales funnel process for businesses large and small. It does this by providing an all-in-one platform to host and create your web pages, design the web pages, integrate the pages with payment processing and email. It allows you to manage and monitor those visitors to those pages, and it has a system to send follow-up emails to your contacts. Now, Randy is a great salesperson. Randy knows his product, and he knows the importance of having a sales funnel, but not just having any sales funnel, but having an online sales funnel with Clickfunnels. He's listened to me and watched my videos. Good job, Randy. Well, Randy has a new prospect, and Randy knows that he needs to speak to the prospect where they are along their buyer's journey, and he will be using a sales funnel to do that. So he knows from his experience that he will normally encounter 3 different types of prospects. 1, the prospect that has never heard of Clickfunnels and has no idea what a sales funnel is or does, and they don't have an online sales funnel. 2, the person that has a website and maybe even a sales funnel with another company. They may have their website hosted by one company, a server with another company, an email provider with another company, payment processing with another company, and so on. Either way, they're spread so thin and wasting a lot of time trying to integrate all these things together. The third type of prospect he comes into contact with is the person that has heard of Clickfunnels and is very interested, but just hasn't pulled the trigger yet for some reason. It could be the cost or the timing. Now, can you match Randy's prospects with their buying temperature, buyer's journey? Ah, yes. If you answered 1 is cold traffic, aware, 2 is warm traffic, interest, and 3 is hot traffic, desire, then you are correct. Now, Randy, with his knowledge of his product, knows that he needs to prepare 3 different messages for each different level of buying temperature. So Randy has prepared these 3 different messages. The first is explaining Clickfunnels as an all-in-one platform that will integrate all of your online website needs in one platform, saving you time and money. 2 is emphasizing the features of Clickfunnels and the results that can be achieved, and offering a 14-day free trial. His third message is explaining the process of sales funnels and how sales funnels help business owners to start and grow an online business. So as you can see, these 3 messages are tied to the 3 different buyers' journeys, buyers' temperature. Can you guess which message is geared towards cold traffic? warm traffic, and hot traffic. Awesome! Now, let's meet Steve, Randy's prospect. Steve is a retired reindeer rancher. He spent his whole life raising cute little reindeers, and he recently retired. He likes to spend his days and nights on the beach in South Florida sunbathing and sipping on an occasional margarita. Steve responded to an ad he saw of Randy's online. Steve does not know what Clickfunnels is and does not know what a sales funnel or web page is, but Steve wants to know how Clickfunnels can help him start an online reindeer business. Which message do you think Randy should deliver to Steve? The message explaining Clickfunnels as an all-in-one platform? The message emphasizing Clickfunnels and the results can be achieved in offering a 14-day free trial? Or the message explaining the process of sales funnels and how sales funnels can help business owners to start and grow an online business? If you answered explaining the process of sales funnels and how sales funnels help business owners to start and grow an online business, then you are correct. If Randy were to talk to Steve explaining Clickfunnels as an all-in-one platform that will integrate all of your online website needs in one platform, saving you time and money, this would completely confuse Steve and possibly cause Randy to lose Steve as a client. But because Randy watched my videos and is able to understand where Steve is on the buyer's journey, he can communicate the right message to Randy to help him along to the next steps of his buyer's journey. Doesn't that really speak to you? Awesome! So now you can truly see why having a sales funnel is essential to your business. I just love talking about sales funnels. And speaking of sales funnels, I made a couple more bonus videos on the subject of communication throughout the steps of the sales funnels. These videos show you how to convert more of your leads into sales and eventually into lifetime clients using little known secrets of sales funnels, which means more ching ching for you as a business owner or entrepreneur. Those videos are titled What You Don't Want to Hear But Need to Hear About the Sales Funnel and What Exactly Does Clickfunnels Do for Sales Funnels. Those videos are inside of the Mental Marketers membership area. In the membership area, you can also find my free digital marketing course along with a ton of bonus videos, scripts and slides for those videos, and resources to help you start and grow your online business. If you're not already a member, the best part is that access to the free course and the free resource sections are absolutely free when you sign up for my weekly newsletter. Just in case you're not, I'll put a link to the sign up page in the comment section, so check for the link in the comments. I hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care, and we'll see you soon.